Hello guys, it's me Jose again. This time is we're going to harvest purple sprouting broccoli. As you can see beside me is one of those plants. Purple sprouting broccoli is really good source of lots of vitamins and minerals, and plus it's organic and also tastes nice too. I could eat this broccoli fresh out from the stem like that. Here you go. No. Yeah, here you go. See that? That's a purple sprouting broccoli. Yeah, yeah, it is. And it tastes nice. It came from the from our from the plants, and straight away we could eat that. As you can see, wow, tastes nice. They're not really sweet though, but tasty. Salad, yeah, it tastes nice. Anyway, we're going to harvest now. Um, this is my first harvest in spring. Sorry about my mouth is full. It keep on talking. Sorry about that. Sorry guys. You see, we get some few flowers for um for dinner today. Here's a scissors. Okay, yeah, all right. Some bunch of it, and that will do for dinner. Tonight's dinner. Yeah. There you go. All right. Okay. It's the best for growing your own food is you know what's on it, and of course it's organic, and you don't have to worry about the pesticides and all of that, and also you can eat straight away from out from the plant. Yeah, they're nice. Tell you, grow some more veggies. Yeah. And anyway, this kind of plants, I plant them last year. It takes a while to having a flower like this. It's a purple. Yeah, and it takes about 10 months. That is long, but as you can see now, here's the fruit of my labor. Yeah, all right. I keep I could eat this all day, no problem at all. And some more. All right. Eh, yeah, right. Okay. Okay. Right. And there you go. Anyway, one more. Okay. There's enough for one meal. No, yes, one meal. Anyway, not only with that, we did have some carrots and potatoes and a lot of things and asparagus. Here you go. Again, I will eat this before the end of, of our vlog. Yeah. Mmm. Awesome. Tastes nice. Yeah. Huh? Mm. Then throw away there. Somewhere else. I can decompose them. Alright guys. Please like my video. Like and comments please. And don't forget to share and ring the bell. It's me again. Thanks for watching. Jose. Nice to see you. Bye.